I start their training by placing two training mats. Hope usually sits this side and Parrot this side. I place a pillow in between them so that Parrot doesn't move over to Hope's place and she has her own space. I keep the clicker between my toes. I want my hands free. Good job. I usually start with something easy. Shake hands. Shake hands. First, you need to shake hands. Now, good job. Shake hands. Good job. High five. Good job. High five. Good job. Up, turn around. Sit. Turn around. Up, stand. Good job. Stand. Good job. Up. Hi. Yes. Good job. Got it. Hi. Hi. Good job. Up. Boop. Boop. Good job. Boop. Good job. Up. Touch. Good job. Touch. Good job. Lie down. Properly. Lie down properly, Oppo. Lie down properly. Properly. Good job. This is almost done, Parrot. Lie down. Good job. I did not say sleep, Parrot. Sleep. Sleep. Parrot. Sleep. Yeah. Good job. Let me open this back. Oppo. New treat. Parrot. New treat. Good job. Parrot. Sit up. Good job. Oppo, you did not do sit up. Lie down. Good job. Now sit up. Good job. I found these good brushes and I really like them because I can reach the back of their mouths with this one compared to the previous one I was using. Parrot, Parrot wants brush training, nails training. Brush training, okay. Popo want brush training, nails training. Brush training, okay. Both of you chose same. Good job. Go ahead. Sniff.